New videos every day.
Life, wisdom, Psychetruth, massage.
Well, thank you for joining us today. My name is Meera Hoffman, and I'm going to be talking about chair massage and the benefits of chair massage. I've been a licensed massage therapist for 10 years, and this has definitely been a huge passion and exploration of mine, getting to give back to the community in a way that is healing and helpful for everyone. So today I'm going to be working with Katrina. So Katrina, I'm going to go ahead and talk about how to get into the massage chair. A lot of people aren't very familiar with chair massage, and it's definitely a little bit different than table massage. So you get to leave all your clothes on. If you want, you can take your jacket off. And if you have a hair tie as well, we'll go ahead and have you pull back your hair, that way it's out of the way. So Katrina, if you'll go ahead and have a seat, I want you to sit here and your shins are going to go on these little knee pads down there. The next step is I'm going to have you try and see if the height is a good position. So go ahead and just lean forward and your head is going to go face down in here. Now what we want here is we want your chest and torso to be supported by this pad here, and then your neck to kind of be a little bit in a neutral position and your head to be fully flush with the face cradle. So I'm actually going to have you sit up just a tiny bit so we can adjust the angle of this and give you a little bit more support and contact there. And then at the same time, to kind of counterbalance that, I'm going to adjust the face cradle up just a tad, so it'll give you a little bit more support there. Let's have you try that. How does that feel?
Much better.
Okay, great. So now you can see Katrina's in a pretty relaxed position. She has her arms on the little arm plate here, and she can pretty much let the weight of her body relax as we work, and that's what we want. As you're getting a massage, I think sometimes it's natural to feel like you want to help the therapist out, and that's not necessary. So occasionally I may move her hair, or as we're working, I may move her arm to do some stretches and stuff, and that's okay to go ahead and give the full weight of that body limb of your arm, to give the full weight of your arm to the therapist as they work. Some of the benefits of chair massage are that it's very accessible and convenient. So you can see the setup area required for this is pretty minimal. Most chair massage is done on site, so we work at a lot of different venues. Sometimes that's corporate offices, private parties and events, festivals, just pretty much anywhere you might think of you'd want massage, our therapist or any therapist is able to come and set up on site with you. The other great thing is you can notice that she's keeping her clothes on, so it's not uncomfortable, being in an office and thinking, oh, I don't want to get a full table massage because, I only have a few minutes to run in between, my appointments, or I don't want to have to deal with a lot of lotion or oil on my skin. So we usually don't use any oil, except for occasionally on the hands and forearms. Some of the benefits of massage in general are decrease in stress. So the NIH, the National Institute of Health, has shown that close to 90% of diseases are related to stress. So being able to have an effective and easy and accessible form of healthcare treatment that you can receive that will help combat stress, chair massage is a really great option for that. And right now I'm just kind of working into kneading on Katrina's shoulders. I'm just kind of generally starting to loosen up. Some other benefits of massage are increased immunity, decreased anxiety, relief from migraines and headaches, any sort of back pain, neck pain, low back pain, and just general relaxation. They've also done studies that people about to go in and take a basic math test just to test their skills, their math skills. If they get a short massage beforehand, oftentimes those that receive massage perform better on that assessment. So it improves your concentration and focus and enhances your mental capacity. And as a receiver of massage, it's important to communicate to your therapist anything that's going on. So if you have any medical conditions that we need to know about, any areas of concern that you want me to focus on, That way we really know how to customize the session so it's best for you. One of the things that I always try and remind our clients is to take some deep breaths. Sometimes you'll work in areas that are pretty tense or tight, and you definitely are welcome to communicate about the pressure, but a lot of times people do like a lot of pressure and want those areas to be worked out, and you as a receiver can help facilitate that process by taking some nice deep breaths. And what you're sending to the body is the message that it's okay to relax, and it's okay to let go of some tension in those muscles that we're working on. It also helps improve your circulation, and then also helps send more oxygen into the muscles and tissues. So Katrina, how's the pressure feeling so far?
Very nice.
Okay. You may be able to notice just a little bit, she's starting to get a little bit of redness and flushing in the top of her shoulders, and that's just directly from the improved circulation in those areas. So we're getting them to open up and relax and release. So in chair massage, we use a few different techniques. You can see I've kind of just been kneading and compressing her shoulders. Kneading is a movement where you're kind of gently squeezing and pulling the muscles. Compression is just a straight downward force. And sometimes we'll kind of glide over the tops of the shoulders, just kind of moving them down away from the ears. Some other techniques are melting into the knots, so you'll find little tender spots or spots that feel like a little bit like hard rocks. And sometimes I'll just spend a moment kind of finding them, so you can see with my fingertips that I'm kind of right on a knot with Katrina here. And so then I'm gonna have her go ahead and take a nice deep breath here. And so together we're working to send the signal to the body that it's okay to relax and release in this area. So thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to find out more about me and what I do, you can visit my website at austinchairmassage.com. And also take a moment and leave us a comment if you have any questions or want to learn more. Let us know. You can like this video or subscribe to the Psychetruth channel to find out more about great videos on nutrition, massage, health, and wellness. And we'll also be going into more in-depth chair massage techniques in some future videos, so stay tuned for those. Thank you for watching.